You see little tongues. Little tongues.
God, that one's gonna climb out. Is he gonna poop on you, Dale? Look at him.
Oh, good.
Dale.
It shot right at me.
Knock me off the ladder.
On my arm.
He pooped at you. The bird just pooped on Dale.
You just, that would have been a shot.
Yeah, no eyeballs, huh? Just beaks and feathers.
He pooped on me.
How do birds know how to poop outside of the nest?
Well, how do you poop on me? Look, I'm straight.
Can't really see very much,
straight,
huh?
all
Oh, wait.
with my arm.
Oh my God, is that him from him?
Yep.
Here, let's get that on video.
No.
Yeah. Look at the poop. Well, you probably can't see it.
From here to here.
Pee and one little chunk of poop. Hmm. Not much going on, boys or girls. You could move for me. I'd like to see you move. Dad, don't scare them. They're outgrowing their nest very quickly. That's why their beaks are always up out of their nest. They can't fit.
That's why Mom won't stop by. It's too crowded.